Welcome to all of you in online pre-service training conducted by State Council of Educational Research and Training, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I am Dr. Bhavna Mishra, lecturer at Azamgarh. First of all, I would like to convey my cordial thanks to SCERT for providing me such an opportunity. Today, our topic is sentences and its kind. आज का हमारा विषय है वाक्य और उसके प्रकार। इस प्रशिक्षण के बाद ट्रेनी टीचर्स को जिन प्रशिक्षण परिणामों की प्राप्ति होगी वे हैं एज वी सी ऑन द स्क्रीन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ट्रेनी टीचर इज एबल टू नो अबाउट द सेंटेंसेस। ट्रेनी टीचर को वाक्य क्या है, सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट क्या है, इसकी समझ हो जाती है। ट्रेनी टीचर is able to speak different sentences on different occasions. विभिन्न अवसरों पर अपने विभिन्न मनोभावों और विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए ट्रेनी टीचर अर्थात प्रशिक्षु शिक्षकों में समर्थता आ जाती है। He or she understands the difference between many sentences. Means trainee teacher understands that what is the difference between different types of sentences and they can use it according to different circumstances. They are also able to conduct activities based on sentences. प्रशिक्षु शिक्षक वाक्यों के विभिन्न प्रकारों पर आधारित गतिविधियों को अपनी कक्षाओं में संचालित कर सकेंगे। Sentence means what is a sentence? वाक्य क्या है? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense or meaning. Without a sense or meaning, it would not be called a sentence. As, for example, we salute our students. A sentence contains a subject and a predicate. Means that a simple sentence that we speak or write, एक सामान्य वाक्य जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं या जिसे हम लिखते हैं, that is divided in two parts. उसे दो भागों में विभाजित किया जा सकता है, a subject and a predicate. This subject is a person who does some action, and what is said about the subject is called as predicate. We can also say the person or thing we speak about is the subject. It may be one word or more than one word. What we speak about the person or thing, as told earlier, is the predicate. For example, Rani is playing football. Here subject is Rani and predicate is playing football. Subject is Rani because she is the doer of the action. And what is she doing? She is playing football. So this is predicate. They are not coming to the home. Honesty is the best policy. Birds fly in the sky. The cat chased the rats. सामान्य तौर पर सब्जेक्ट वाक्य से पहले ही आते हैं, लेकिन कुछ परिस्थितियों में, कुछ टाइप्स में इस ऑर्डर का पालन नहीं भी किया जाता है. The subject usually comes first in the sentence, but sometimes this order is not followed. As down the stairs slipped a boy. In interrogative sentence, the subject usually comes after a part of the predicate. Like, are trees shedding their leaves? In exclamatory sentence, the subject is placed after the predicate. For example, how beautiful is the sunset? In imperative sentence, the subject is generally omitted. Like, thank you. When we have to express some gratitude to someone for something, for filling our some desires or wish, we say thank you. Thank you means that I am giving thanks to you. It means that I or we are giving thanks to you or to someone, but we don't use I. थैंक यू कहते समय हम I यानी मैं या हम का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं, सब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं. Here subject is omitted and we just use thank you. Types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. First, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence. Our third type of sentence is imperative sentence, and fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Now let's discuss all these types of sentences. First of all, assertive sentence. A sentence which makes a statement or assertion is called assertive sentence. This kind of sentence makes a statement. यह एक साधारण वाक्य या साधारण कथन होता है. It can be positive और निगेटिव. यह सकारात्मक भी हो सकता है और नकारात्मक भी हो सकता है. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. ऐसे वाक्यों को लिखते समय हम इसकी शुरुआत अंग्रेजी के बड़े अक्षर से करते हैं, कैपिटल लेटर से करते हैं, और अंत में फुल स्टॉप का प्रयोग करते हैं. As for example, we see on the screen, we have 4 books to read. Naveen goes to school daily. These are positive type of sentence. Like, Naveen goes to school daily. Naveen रोज स्कूल जाता है. We have 4 books to read. हमारे पास पढ़ने के लिए 4 किताबें हैं. But negative sentence also come in this category. Like, Ramesh is not a good student. रमेश एक अच्छा छात्र नहीं है. This is also an assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence means, what is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. In this sentence, answer is expected means when I ask the question, मैं आपसे कोई सवाल पूछूं, कोई प्रश्न करूं और बदले में मैं उसके उत्तर को एक्सपेक्ट करूं, मैं उसके उत्तर की आशा करूं आपसे, तो दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. लाइक व्हाट इज योर फादर्स नेम. आई एम आस्किंग द नेम ऑफ योर फादर. मैं आपसे आपके पिता का नाम पूछ रही हूँ और आई विल expect the answer of the question that what is the name of your father. So these types of sentences come in the category of interrogative sentence. Is he going to market? क्या वह बाजार जा रहा है? What have you done? तुमने क्या किया है? These are interrogative sentence. Now imperative sentence. A sentence in which a request, advice, command, wish or desire is expressed is called imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, as told earlier, expresses request, command, advice or suggestion and they end with a full stop. ऐसे वाक्यों के अंत में हम फुल स्टॉप का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे मे ही लिव लॉन्ग. हियर आई एम एक्सप्रेसिंग माई विश. मे ही लिव लॉन्ग, दिस इज माई विश. सो दिस इज इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. डू नॉट पेंट द वॉल्स. दीवारों को पेंट मत करो. दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ कमांड. I am give command to someone. For advice, you should exercise daily. This is a type of advice. So this is also a type imperative sentence. Request, please bring me a cup of tea. So these are imperative sentences which express request, advice, command, wish or desire. Exclamatory sentence. In this sentence, a strong feeling, a sudden thought or emotion is expressed. These are called exclamatory sentences. Like, oh, you got injury. Here just we express a sudden emotion. Alas, she could not qualify the exams. We have oh, alas, hooray, etc. and use exclamatory marks in these sentences. ऐसे वाक्यों में हम exclamatory mark का प्रयोग करते हैं. जैसे अभी हमने कभी कोई अच्छी फिल्म देखी तो सो वी जस्ट एक्सप्रेस आवर प्लेजर and say what a fantastic film that was. So these are exclamatory sentences. Now activity you can conduct in your class among your students. Ask the students to speak different sentences to express their feelings and emotions, or to speak something on any subject or topic and make groups according to their types of sentences. हम छात्रों से किसी विषय पर, किसी टॉपिक पर अपने भाव, अपने विचार व्यक्त करने को कह सकते हैं. उन पर विभिन्न प्रकार के वाक्य बोलने को या लिखने को कह सकते हैं और उन वाक्यों के आधार पर हम उनका समूह बना सकते हैं. दिस वुड बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. कुछ समय के बाद जब वे वाक्य से भलीभांति परिचित हो जाएं, तो इस एक्टिविटी को वे स्वयं ही अपनी कक्षा में कर सकते हैं और अपने वाक्य के हिसाब से अपना ग्रुप या अपना समूह बना सकते हैं. Now I would like to give you assignment or project. So this is make a story using all these types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. इन सभी टाइप्स के सेंटेंसेस को यूज़ करते हुए आप कोई कहानी लिख सकते हैं, आप कोई रचना अपनी कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ एन असाइनमेंट फॉर यू. Now I would like to convey my thanks to all of you. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.